Welcome back. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that affects us all, World Environment Day. In this video, we'll explore what this day signifies, why it's so important, and the exciting possibilities it holds for our future. So, let's get started. World Environment Day is celebrated annually on the 5th of June. It is a global event initiated by the United Nations to raise awareness and take action on pressing environmental issues. The first World Environment Day was held in 1974, and since then, it has become a platform for individuals, communities, organizations, and governments to come together and address environmental challenges. Now, you might be wondering, why is this day so important? Let's delve into some of the reasons why we should pay attention to World Environment Day. Our planet is teeming with an incredible diversity of plants, animals, and ecosystems. The unique and fragile ecosystems are home to countless species, many of which are found nowhere else. However, due to human activities like deforestation, habitat destruction, and pollution, we are losing biodiversity at an alarming rate. World Environment Day serves as a reminder of the urgent need to conserve and protect these precious ecosystems. By celebrating World Environment Day, we can raise awareness about the importance of preserving biodiversity. Our planet is experiencing unprecedented changes in its climate patterns, primarily due to greenhouse gas emissions. Rising temperatures, extreme weather events, and melting ice caps are just a few examples of the impacts of climate change. Climate change affects us all, no matter where we live. It's crucial to understand that our actions have a direct impact on the environment. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, the Earth's average surface temperature has already increased by about 1.1 degrees Celsius since pre-industrial times. If we continue on our current trajectory, we may face catastrophic consequences. World Environment Day encourages us to take action to reduce our carbon footprint and adopt sustainable practices. By making sustainable choices and promoting renewable energy, we can mitigate the effects of climate change and build a greener future. One of the most pressing environmental issues of our time is plastic pollution. Every year, millions of tons of plastic waste end up in our oceans, harming marine life and ecosystems. Marine animals are suffering from entanglement or mistakenly ingesting plastic waste. We must take responsibility for our plastic consumption and work towards a world with less plastic pollution. World Environment Day reminds us of the urgent need to reduce, reuse, and recycle plastic. World Environment Day also emphasizes the importance of sustainable development. It encourages us to find innovative solutions that meet our present needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Sustainable practices, such as eco-friendly agriculture, renewable energy, and responsible consumption, play a crucial role in achieving this balance. In recent years, we have witnessed remarkable advancements in sustainable development. From solar panels powering entire communities to eco-friendly buildings that maximize energy efficiency, sustainable practices are paving the way for a brighter and greener future. Each year, World Environment Day focuses on a specific theme to shed light on a particular environmental concern. The theme serves as a call to action, highlighting the urgent need for change. It prompts individuals and communities to take responsibility for the environment and make a positive impact. Past themes have included issues like biodiversity, climate change, and plastic pollution. These themes help us channel our efforts and make a real difference. The theme for 2023 is Ecosystem Restoration. It is a reminder that people's action on plastic matters, as the material is slowly seeping into our oceans, soil, and forest and causing irreparable damage. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Environmental Day serves as a reminder that we have the power to make a positive difference. It's a call to action for individuals, communities, and governments to come together and find sustainable solutions to protect our environment. Looking to the future, World Environment Day holds immense potential. It encourages the development and implementation of sustainable practices in various sectors such as agriculture, industry, transportation, and energy. It also serves as a platform for innovation, fostering the creation of new technologies and strategies to combat environmental challenges. Now, you might be wondering, what can I do as an individual? Every action, no matter how small, contributes to the collective effort of preserving our planet. Recycling, reducing waste, conserving energy, using public transport, and adopting eco-friendly habits can have a significant impact. Remember, it's not just about one day but making environmentally conscious choices every day. Environmental Day also highlights the importance of community involvement. It's a great opportunity to join hands with local organizations, participate in cleanup drives, tree planting campaigns, and spread awareness about environmental issues. Together, we can create a ripple effect and inspire others to take action. Government policies play a crucial role in protecting the environment. Environmental Day serves as a platform to urge governments worldwide to prioritize sustainable development, implement stricter regulations, and invest in renewable energy sources. By holding our leaders accountable, we can accelerate positive change. Education and awareness play a crucial role in the success of World Environment Day. By educating ourselves and others about environmental issues, we can make informed decisions and influence positive change. This includes raising awareness in schools, universities, workplaces, and communities to ensure that environmental consciousness becomes an integral part of our daily lives. As we conclude this discussion on the importance of Environmental Day, let's remember that it's not just a day to mark on our calendars but a reminder of our shared responsibility to protect our planet. The choices we make today will determine the world we pass on to future generations. So, let's commit to making a positive impact, both individually and collectively. That's all for today. If you found this video informative and engaging, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our world.